take this is the height attained. Maximum height is the height attained before by a projectile before returning back to the same level from which it was projected. In our first video, I made it known to us that projectile is any body or any object that, when released freely from the point of projection, returns back under gravity, following a parabolic path. It follows a parabolic path. Now, when we release a body like this, or probably, let's say we probably shoot a gun, when it goes up, there's a point where it will get to, where it will stop going up again. You start coming down. Now, the point there, that point where the highest height reached, attained by that body, is what we call the maximum height. And the maximum height is denoted by what? Is denoted by h. Now, let's see this now. We said the maximum height is denoted by h. From Newton's equation of motion, we could recall that we said that what? V square equals to u square plus 2as, where your u is the initial velocity, your v is the final velocity, your a is the acceleration, linear acceleration, while your s is the what? Is the is the distance. Now, under gravity, we say that what? When the body is under gravity, we say that what? U square equals v square, equals u square plus or minus 2g, where your s now becomes the what? The height, because it's under gravity. Your acceleration becomes g, acceleration under gravity, and your u remains the same. Now we put plus or minus, which indicates that when a body is going up, it means it's opposing what? The force of gravity. So in that case now, your sign here will be what? Will be negative. When it's going up, it's opposing the force of gravity. Your sign here will be what? Negative. But when it's coming down, when the ball is released, probably a ball is falling down. A body is falling down. For a falling body, we say the what? It is plus. We use plus. Now, in this case now, the body is going up. So we say that what? The body is going up, one, and also our velocity, which is final velocity, becomes what? When the body is going up, our final velocity is 0. And when the body is going up, like I said, our g, which is the what? Acceleration to gravity, is negative. And recall that this h height is the what? Is the maximum height. So on this note, you can say that we can write this equation as 0 equals what? U square. Okay, now it's negative now, minus 2gh. Collecting like times now, bring this to this side, so it becomes what? U square equals to 2gh. Now note that for our u is what? Is a vertical component. It's a vertical component. So that means our u here that we are using will be what? Uy. And recall, I gave it to us in our previous class that uy is what? Is sine theta. So which means this will be what? Sine square theta equals 2gh. Making your h the sort of formula 2g divided by 2. Sorry, this is u. Yes, u. So it is u sine theta. So making it what? 2g. This cancels this. Then we say that what? Our maximum height is equals to u square u sine. So when it is squared, I think there's a mistake here. When it is squared, it means to what? Be squared. Because note, u square will be u sine theta everything squared. So which means this will be u squared sine square theta. So that's our u square y. So this place now, this will be u square sine square theta. This also be u square sine square theta over what? 2g. And that gives us what? The derivatives of our what? Maximum height. Now, let's take a question. Let's take a question on this.